Are you tired of manually typing in long and complicated QR codes? With our QR code scanning app, you can easily and quickly scan QR codes with just the click of a button. Our app is user-friendly and convenient, making it the perfect tool for both personal and business use. Need to scan a QR code for a special offer at your favorite store? No problem. Want to quickly and easily access important information and event? Our app has you covered. Don't waste any more time struggling with manual QR code input. Download our QR code scanning app today and experience the ease and efficiency of convenient QR code scanning. Try it out now.